A 24-hour strike demanding justice in the gruesome rape and murder of a female doctor in R G Kar hospital case continues. OPD services have been shut, affecting patients across the nation. Meanwhile, CBI sources has revealed that the CBI is now looking at a larger conspiracy behind this particular matter. CBI, in fact, has now questioned over 30 people and prepared a list which contains name of victims' friends as well. Bengal police, on the other hand, have arrested 30 people in the hospital vandalism case along with doctors' protest. Now, CBI and police probe. Politics, shockingly, also continues to escalate in this matter. After Mamata Banerjee's march demanding death for the accused on Friday, Trinamool Congress is now all set to hold a protest today yet another time against the opposition's conspiracy to quote-unquote defame Bengal, is what the Trinamool Congress saying.
जो रास्ते में जितना आदमी है वो मेरा लड़का लड़की समान है। हमको लगता है वो मेरा लड़का लड़की बन गया। अभी हमारा एक लड़की चला गया, इतना करोड़ लड़का लड़की मेरा साथ आ गया। यही मैं इसको उसने मेरा हिम्मत बहुत बढ़ा दिया। हमको इसलिए लगता है कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा हमको।
सर, कभी आपकी बेटी ने ये कहा, शिकायत की कि कॉलेज में उन्हें कोई दिक्कत
थोड़ा
है?
उसका दिक्कत था कॉलेज में, पूरा डिपार्टमेंट, इसलिए डिपार्टमेंट को हम बोला है, डिपार्टमेंट पूरा सस्पेक्ट में है।
And News 18's Yash Goyal and Arunima joining us on the broadcast. Arunima, first coming to you, please walk us through the details that you have gathered so far in the CBI investigation, which is currently underway, since you are reporting straight from the ground as well.
Yes, so CBI has been questioning, all those associated with the hospital. The principal has been questioned overnight. He was taken into detention yesterday afternoon at around 2 p.m. and his questioning went on, post midnight. Even now, the official version is awaited whether his custodial interrogation is required by the investigating team. But from what we know, the former principal of R G Kar, Sandeep Ghosh, is being asked a few tough questions about the way the hospital was being managed. You just heard the father of the deceased also say that the girl had said that she was feeling pressurized while she was there at R G Kar. So why was this pressure? What was this pressure about? Was anybody harassing her? Was the principal aware? Was the HOD or anybody from the staff aware of the kind of pressure she was working under? 36 hours straight working. Is that the norm for R G Kar? And if that is the system, what is the security guard number per doctor or per patient? What is the system of resting? Is seminar hall usually the place where these doctors and interns take rest after such long hours of duty? What kind of a security arrangement is there while they're resting? Because we are told there's no CCTV coverage of that area. So these are some questions that Sandeep Ghosh and the hospital management has to answer. So we are told that CBI's investigating team is trying to piece together the entire sequence of event while questioning the chest medicine department HOD, the assistant superintendent who called the father and mother and said that the girl had died by suicide, and the role of the principal. Why was crucial 40 minutes lost from the time the body was recovered to the time the first call was made to the police? What was the delay about? Was there any attempt to dress up the crime scene? These are some important answers that CBI's investigating team requires before it comes to any conclusion.
Right, Arunima, please stay on with us. Yash, and in fact now Swastika is also joining us on the broadcast. Yash, now first coming to you and talking about the protests that sort of broke out across the nation because of this outrage by the doctors. We saw a sort of a commotion and a chaos that broke out yesterday at Nirman Bhavan with regards to the permission which was sought by the doctors to carry out this protest. Please walk us through that, because they have a plan to carry out a protest today also.
Well, absolutely, Sakshi. In Delhi and across India, we are going to see heavy protests by the doctors. In fact, yesterday, like you mentioned, there was some sort of a chaotic situation which panned out outside to Nirman Bhavan. In fact, post that chaos also, we are learning that a team of doctors were able to meet the senior officials at the Health Ministry, demanding for only one thing: Central Protection Act. And in fact, the Central Protection Act is something the doctors have been demanding, and it's one of their core demands since this very incident had come to the fore. Earlier, they had demanded about the CBI probe and how the entire top administration should be pulled in a more stringent manner. And now, one of the key demands as of now of all the doctor associations and the doctors, residents who are protesting out on streets is regarding this very act. And in fact, we also learned that that very meeting was actually inconclusive, and today we are once again going to see a lot of protest happening in the national capital too. In fact, today a call has been given by top medical associations regarding the non-operation of the OPD services, though the emergency services will continue to function. In fact, we are present in Safdarjung Hospital, and this is the ortho department where the OPD operates. In fact, you can see there are not so many lines or so many people standing over here, but one thing I can tell you that the OPD services have actually, the OPD has started to offer appointments to the patients who have come here, but in fact we went inside and in fact we checked if the doctors are there or not, but the doctors have not come still yet. So we can understand that the play which they had said, they talked about the particular protest and calling of all and most of the services at hospital, that is seen to be played out here in the national capital. But the protest here and other hospital generally commence at 10 a.m. In fact, yesterday certain association tried to also march towards India Gate, but they were not actually allowed to reach India Gate. But yes, a candle march was taken out by the medical associations, and today also we are expecting a lot of protest at Jantar Mantar.